Hello, Mrs. Fouts here. Today I'm going to briefly show you how to turn in a video in Google Classroom. If you created a video in Canva, when you are finished, you will click Share, then Download. From the drop-down, you will then select MP4 video. Then you will click Download. At the bottom right, you will see the bar start to fill as your video downloads. Your other option to create a video is using Google Vids directly in Google. Whichever method you choose, you will turn in your assignment in Google Classroom. You will view the assignment, click Add or Create, and from Google Drive, you will select your assignment. Click Add. Then once you see the attachment is complete, you will click Turn In. Then you will confirm, and now your assignment is complete.